Hello guys! It is a video today and today we'll be just discussing the best Showdown Brawlers top 5. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys all the best Showdown Brawlers that I have at least. Starting off with Leon. Yes, Leon. Leon is one of the better brawlers in Showdown mode right now. He is like pretty good at honestly, he's just a good brawler overall. Let's see if we can hope to get a dub with him, but if we can't, then we can. But if we can, then I'm gonna be happy. But hopefully we can. And today, guys, actually, today Leon, I think Leon's getting a new remodel. People want him to get a remodel, so I hope he gets a remodel because I don't really like his model that much. But if he gets a remodel, I'm gonna be pretty happy. But I don't know if he actually will. But if he does, I'm gonna be pretty happy. I'll just show you all of the aspects that Leon can do. Look at that, clone. Yes, they don't even know who's who. Yes, the clone. The clone is rushing up. Yeah. See that? The clone. Game though. Not to lie. Be careful of what we do, because we are versing good players, as I just said. So, we gotta be very careful. I'm only teaming because I actually have to team it in this mode, and there's no way I'm gonna even get any kills that up. Oh, it's Holiday Pam! The thick Pam! Boy! And we die at 7 we actually lost trophy, which does suck. We're still at 700, but no, I'm just not the best with Leon as of right now. Yeah, 700 trophies. Not the best with Leon, 700 trophies. Yeah, never mind. I don't know what we're talking about. Oh, yeah. But anyways, the next best brawler, I would have to say, is El Primo. El Primo is definitely a good brawler for solos, as I'll show you now. El Primo is just he has really close range. That's the only bad thing about him, the close range. But when you do get up close to him, so that's what we're gonna try and do today on this Carl right here. This Carl's gonna die to that, probably to that Pam instead of me, but it's okay, because we're just gonna be careful, and just get our boxes. Yep. Probably go for this. Real quick. But if I can, I'm gonna go for her. Yep, she's dead. Buenas noches. There is a Barley right there. He is pretty good. Oh my god, El Primo. Can you please stop making the weirdest noises? No! Alright, not bad. Still got 8 trophies. Pretty good. As you guys can see, yeah, I finally got it. I got it. I would say the next brawler is being beautiful. Let's see what's buzzing. That was hilarious. But yeah, the next brawler is B. So this is gonna be our 3rd brawler, and we have 2 more. TV. But you guys can't hear it. I'm just watching it like without any volume. Yeah. Very dark. Hell Primo! Beautiful! Oh, my bee is mad at you. I don't know what you did, but he's mad. Bee. Oh, I'm just saying, if you do get bee and you hit someone once, you get this like really special attack where he does like a million damage. It's like really good attack. Trust me. Couldn't do the best that way. Good brawlers to show down. Trust me, try and find someone to use, and you have the Maya if you say. She is pretty good. And also, we do also have Carl. Yes, Carl. I know you guys might think Carl is not the best at this current state, but for Showdown, he was probably one of the better brawlers. So, we'll be using him. Oh, sorry, I just have to swallow my spit. I was about to spit. But yeah, I didn't even know that, but yeah. Today, well, I hope you guys are having a good day today. And hopefully you guys are having a great day, and if you're not, then I hope that your day gets better after this video, or something's gonna happen. If you guys are having a good day, let me know what's so good about your day. Please let me know. Oh, Carl, you're super sad. Let's run it back with Carl. Let's run it back. Sorry for the long voice crack. Bart Simpson. Bart Simpson. Simpson. Get it, guys? Simpson. Oh, I'm such a funny man. Yeah, you get it? Bart Simps. He's a Simpson. A Simpson. You don't know what that is. I can't Okay, you know what? Carl does not deserve my time. He's trash, but he's good in Showdown.
So much ignorance, so little time.
So much ignorance, so little time. And the last brawler, 8-Bit. Yes, 8-Bit. The slowest person in the game is like the best person in Showdown. Like, watch this, boy. Watch me. Sorry, I was just talking about some undies. Never mind. Wait, what? Oh yeah, no one's here. Totally, no one's here right now. I'm by my. What the hell was that? Whoa! What was that? That was pretty scary. I don't know. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh yeah, you guys want something funny on my channel? Go watch. What's it called? Go watch the Moth Invader. Okay? Go watch the Moth Invader. It is a really It's hilarious. It's just me and my friend. Yup. Oh, go boy. Told you 8-Bit is probably the best. I'm gonna be honest. 8-Bit's the best. Showdown! And next time you see me, I might have M's. You never know. I might have M's. And leave down below if you guys want me to do the best showdown, like the best duo showdown brawler. Because I'll do that if you guys want as well. And without further ado.